get mad.
Are you watching me one night?
I'll be right back to watch it. I'm gonna go to Jade.
Yeah, she's in trouble now. You want Julene? You want me to call Julene? Huh? You want me to call Julene?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mom.
Julene, can you play with your sister or no? Do you want to play with your sister? It's okay, Jelana. No hot dog anyway today. Tonight is no hot dog day.
Why?
Yeah, only you.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you. It's raining now. You wanna go watch it?
Just may mumuna naman, Mikay.
Oh, can I go? If there's one of me.
Oh, I'll watch the one.
Okay, you can go now. Daddy's gonna watch.
No, you want it.
Go now!
No, Mommy. I want you to do this.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't like.
If she wants to.
You do this, Dada.
Go now. Go. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside now.
I want to go.
She don't want to go down.
Why you don't wanna go? Go find.
I want to go down to the
Yeah,
driveway.
she thought Dad was in the water.
Ah, okay. Oo nga, may mumuna naman. Tatrabaho lang tayo, uy.
You want to do this.
Mahirap
Oh,
na.
is it really 7:45?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tatrabaho
Oh,
lang tayo,
it's
eh, no?
That's why we get home after 5. Those ribs are pretty good. Dad's fat heavy.
Oh, one. Ayan, thank you, Mary Rose.
Do the robot. It's this. What?
I'm watching.
What are you doing? Is that why you push up?
Exercise.
Oh. Ala, mumu, may mumu. Mahirap magtrabaho ngayon ng disente.
Show me how you go. I want to watch it.
For this? Left.
Left, right, left. Oo nga. Left, right, left. Baka pag nakaw okay sa kanila.
What is this?
She's walking on the rocks.
On what?
Hello, Chay. Kaka-start lang naman.
If wet, I'll put her hoodie in.
Oo, sinabi mo.
What's she gonna say? No, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow.
But it'll dry on.
Tomorrow I'm gonna wear Converse instead.
Are you gonna wear your... That's a nice raincoat you have. Oo.
Honey, Mommy.
Ay, hindi pa. Kaka-start lang. 9 minutes pa lang.
Daddy, Mommy.
Julene, mouth. Kakapasok lang ng mga trolls. Okay, where are you? Kapapasok lang ng mga mumo. Yan yung mga mumo. Hey, Han, on those itchy, remember? Hey, remember I'm itching, Han? You need to put those Neosporin. You know, those, yeah, instead of the lotion. Yeah, the lotion had more itchy. The Neosporin is, yeah. I went back to my tape because there's like, there's a blood in it. So that was, yeah. I think take out the tape if it's like you're just sitting down and not working.
Okay.
Where are you going? Oh, be careful. Yeah, she's been practicing nonstop. Yeah, she really, she practice every day.